What's up, guys? This is Nick up at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today I'm walking around a 1964 Impala. It's a 4-speed with a date code correct 327. We're going to take it down the road. I'm going to point out any kind of flaws, and when I get back I'll do a little walk around to the outside of the car, point out any kind of flaws I could find on the outside. I got 100 detailed pictures on my website at maplemotors.com. Please check that out. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444. But for now, we're going for a test drive. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single day. Kind of look around the car before we take off here. Pretty cool looking. I like the red and black theme. Red mats definitely accent it. Our horn works. We got a lot of gauges up under the dash here. Let's go ahead and start this baby up. Starts right up pretty easy. RPM's coming up on the dash. I believe it does have a gas, or have gas in it. I don't know if it's completely full. We'll check the speedometer as we ride down the road. Showing 44,000 miles, which I can't prove those miles. Looking below the dash, we're still cold. Oil pressure's right below 40. We'll keep checking all the gauges as we roll. Let's check the radio. Does work. Let's hit our wipers. Wipers do work. Horn works, radio works, wipers work, air. I don't hear nothing cutting on that. I feel like I'm breaking switches more than I'm using them. So the air does not work on this. All right, let's go for a ride. Like I said, in these videos, I'm gonna take off, point out any kind of flaws that I can find. See if I can get her over. You gotta pull the lever up to get it over into reverse. Oh yeah. Clutch feels nice and soft too. It's not real hard to push down. Lets out about halfway up. The hay is for horses, like my foot's for this gas pedal. We're going to take off. Check my brakes. Big old steering wheel here. Car's slightly pulling to the left a little bit as I'm driving. If I let go of it, just barely start moving. May have a little bit of a tire pressure issue. They all look the same before I got in, but I didn't take a gauge to individually check all of them. This is a lower gear car, so you're only going to be able to do about 60 on the highway. Speedometer showing 45 right now. We're running about $2,000 at 45, so 60, probably be pushing it. You can get that changed out and get you a highway gear put in it. You'll have no problems doing 70 or 80. This car's definitely no powerhouse, having a 327 in it. It's more of a cruiser car. There's no one behind us. We're going to get on the brakes pretty good. Something's in the trunk. The brakes do work good. Throttle response is nice, even though there's not a ton of power. The shifter feels good too. It's easy to put it in all the gears. Feeling sticky in the driver's seat. Make sure my camera's on there. Looks like it is. And so far, it's been easy to drive. It's idled down pretty low though. Might want to take it and tune the idle up just a little bit. I have noticed a little puff of smoke every once in a while. There's nothing behind me right now, but I was doing the little drive around videos. I seen a little puff of smoke come out of the exhaust. It is an older engine. Still feels good. It sounds good. It's got good oil pressure. We've been staying consistent between 30 and 40 the whole time we've had this thing running. So our gas gauge went from full to half a tank. It's moving around, so it's not very accurate. Do got a generator light on, but it's definitely charging. It's probably upgraded to an alternator. We're gonna go up here on the right. There's a big old bump in this road up here. Of course, this thing's riding super smooth. It's definitely like a boat. Steering's nice and tight. These guys are only doing 25 right now for some reason. They're probably gonna try to turn where we're going. Nope. Good deal. Yeah, there's a bump right up here in the road I want to hit. We'll let off the throttle and we'll hit it. Nice and smooth. This thing's easy to drive. Looks like our temperature's up at 170 is what our temperature's sitting at. Take off from here. We're gonna head back to the lot and do a little walk around on the outside of this car. Running and driving wise, it's mechanically sound. Like I said, I did see a little puff of smoke coming out the exhaust. This is a date code correct 327. Well, I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. Please jump on our website, weMainbsite.com. Got 100 detailed pictures of this car and every car on the lot. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single day. I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna do this. People are parking all crazy next door. Never really understood that. We got 30 parking spots and they park sideways, over 10 of them. I'm like, so I'm gonna have to figure out a new spot to do these videos. But I'm gonna do the outside walk around, pop the hood, pop the trunk, show you any kind of flaws on the interior, and that's coming up here next. I'll go ahead and link that to the end of this video as well. Sometimes it takes me a couple hours to get all the information processed because I do about 6 videos a day. I'm letting them get out of my way. Hopefully they're out of the way now. No, he's just sitting there. All right, guys. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again. Pretty quiet. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, please jump on my website, weMainbsite.com. I got 100 detailed pictures of this car and every car on the lot. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444. If you have any other questions, you can comment below. I'll try to get back with you. I appreciate y'all watching. Please subscribe. I post videos like this every day. Y'all have a good one.